Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best privacy browser for Europe in 2025 by comparing Brave browser versus Firefox. If you're looking for the best privacy browser for Europe in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. Brave browser is a private browser through and through. If you're looking for the browser with the most privacy features, like enhanced tracking protection from site trackers, it has those security features baked right in at the core. That's actually what Brave has built its name on. If you wouldn't identify as a heavily privacy-focused individual, more specifically, someone that is interested in the security benefits that come from leveraging the blockchain and aren't heavily into crypto, Brave wouldn't be your best choice. Brave looks and feels a lot like Chrome. They've modernized the interface a bit by adding in optional features like vertical tab support. The interesting thing here is that Brave, like many of the leading browsers on the market, use Chromium at the core. Point being, changing browsers between Chromium-based browsers makes switching between them pretty seamless, low friction, and Brave is no exception here. Firefox is one of the only privacy-focused browsers that is not built atop Chromium, in theory giving it further distance from the stronghold that Google has in the browser market. Because of that, while you may be choosing a privacy-focused browser like Firefox, you're also getting substantially less third-party app support and a higher chance of websites not performing as intended. It simply comes down to there not being enough market share for web developers to focus on making everything work properly in Firefox, as it only accounts for less than 3% of global market share. Given this foundational difference, it means that the millions of Chrome extensions that are accessible to people are not in Firefox, unless they rebuild it for Firefox, giving people less options if they choose Firefox as their primary browser. That said, while they are a non-profit and privacy-focused, they still make the far majority of their money from Google, $500 million per year, by having Google as the default search engine. So if you want to be a sustainable browser, you really need to just make a deal with Google in some way. Through that basic comparison, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.